Confused between model line and detail line in Revit. So guys, let's fix it in 1 minute. Okay. So first is one is model line. Model line is basically 3D element. It is present here in the architecture tab. Here, this is model line. See, I've created this here, and this is actually visible in 3D also. See, this is the model line that I have created, and it is visible in 3D. So guys, where do we use model lines? Model lines are used when the line represents something real in the model, like reference edges, symbolic geometry, or conceptual shapes. Okay, so this is the model line, and next we go to the detail line. Okay, also we can convert this model line to detail line by simply clicking on this. I have converted this to detail line. See, this is not now visible in here, but now I can make it visible. So see, this is a way to convert model line to detail lines. And where do we have detail lines? Here you go to the annotate, and here we get the detail lines. This is a detail line. Okay, so see, this is basically not visible in the 3D. Here, this is not visible in the 3D, only this is visible. Okay, now see, model line is basically visible in other view also. Like here, it is also visible. But detail line is basically view specific. It is only visible in the view in which it is created. So where do we use detail lines? Detail lines basically is 2D, and it appears only in the view where you draw it, like the floor plan or the section. Use detail lines for drafting, annotation. It is basically used like for the annotation and adding extra details that should not appear in other views. Yeah, this is the clear difference between model line and detail line. Thank you guys.